issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Nash County, Edgecombe County, southwestern Halifax County, northeastern Wilton County until 6:45 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dorchester, near Nashville, County at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Tarboro, Nashville, Elm City, Dorches, Red Oak, Princeville, Sharpsburg, Pine Ups, and Whitakers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Halifax, Nash, and Wilson. NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WNG706. For Central North Carolina. 162.4. The National Weather Service has issued severe program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on the WR